Oh, hello, friends. Well, we have a unicorn booster. This is a rare one. It's like the Olympics, and it just showed up in my main account. If you mirror a lot of the deals that I do here on this YouTube page, you probably have the exact same one. Look for it in your digital coupons folder right at the top. Again, my main one got it, and it's a weird one, and we'll explain how this works. If you could take a quick second and do me a big favor and just like this video, give it a like. I would so appreciate it in advance. Okay, let's talk quickly about this booster. $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend a penny. Are we at the Dollar General? No, we're at Walgreens. This is a very weird one. I've seen it like maybe a year ago. It's just to get you back in the store. And if your card has been dormant, you haven't been shopping, well, they just want to give you a bit of love to get you back in the store. It's valid from the 23rd, which is today, Thursday, right till March the 1st. It is of a one-time use as well. So if it's still lingering in your digital coupons folder, it's a one and done. If you want to use it today, the cheapest thing in the store would be one of these candies found at checkout for 33 cents. Make sure you have your booster loaded. Go and buy a candy and get $5. It's that easy. So if you wanted to do it with a coupon and just get something super cheap, we have the $1.25 for the Kit Kat on the standard size bars. They're $1.79. So after that coupon, you'll pay like 50 something cents and get your $5. But you know what, guys? Like that Kenny Rogers song, you got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away. I would definitely load and hold this one. When you can stack it with a digital and a paper booster and get an extra $5, that's totally the way to do it. Your money will get stretched a lot further in that, and I think that's just a smarter way to go. So I know that might be unpopular, but I'm definitely going to say hold it. Just hold that booster. Hold it. I'm going to apologize in advance. The earliest I can get to the store is going to probably be tomorrow morning, which is Friday, the 24th. Big storm in Michigan, the whole state, and the driving is pretty icy, so I don't drive in that. And yeah, it's just kind of dangerous. So as much as I like Walgreens, I'm going to wait till tomorrow morning. I know that the website right now, you can't even load anything for a curbside pickup. Maybe it's only Michigan because the weather's so bad in the entire state. Probably don't want employees or customers to probably slip and fall, just outside of the store or in the driveway, or I don't know how that works. But I know that different apps, such as the Meyer app, they've just ceased it. So I think Walgreens, the app, is probably doing the same thing here in Michigan. So if you can wait for me tomorrow, we have a couple of weeks to make this thing happen, and it's just a fantastic booster. I mean, this barely happens. Make sure you have that loaded, and it's going to be rock and roll time. Like, spend a penny, get $5 back. And one other thing, grab a screenshot of it too, because if there is some sort of thing where they're like, well, we made a logistical issue, customer service, you have a screenshot and they will have to honor it for you as a courtesy. Now, if you need a little bit of inspiration, you haven't been to the store this week, you might want to check out the video that I made on Sunday where I hauled a couple items. The Dove is probably the smartest thing to grab if you want to spend a bit of money with that booster, because with Dove, it's earn Walgreens cash back. I know that Friday and Saturday register rewards tend not to print out for whatever goofy, stupid reason, but I will link this video at the very end if you want to watch it just for some inspiration. I would hold it for next week if you can wait that long, but it's pretty exciting to get like a penny booster. And then if you missed it, I made this video earlier today. As the weather is awful here, I'm not getting out to the store, so I just made this video a day in advance, and it's the preview for next week's deals starting on the 26th to March the 4th. So even if you think about it, that other booster ends on the 1st. We have like part of next week to use it. So you might want to look at this. Like that Dawn dish soap deal just got a lot cheaper with that booster. So anyhow, guys, go and check right now and load it and let me know in the comments if you got it or not. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.